Hello everybody, my name is Sophia and welcome to my channel called Bottlenose Cactus, Bottlenose Cactus, la la la. We do everything art, everything science, and everything in between. Plus a few things extra like our vocabulary videos and this video where I'm cutting my dad's hair. Since the coronavirus thing. Well, you already know why we're cutting his hair. Anyway, let's get started cutting my dad's hair! Okay, this is absolutely hilarious. My dad's a clown. My dad's a clown, cha-cha. My dad's a... Let me turn this off for a second. My dad's a clown, cha-cha. My dad's a clown, cha-cha. My dad's a clown, cha-cha. He's a clown, cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Sorry, I couldn't help laughing. I've been wanting to do this. You see, the reason I'm cutting up is because in one of the other videos I watched told me to cut up. I'm just trying to avoid his ear. I'm going to the hospital. And then just do. And does this hurt, Papa? Does it hurt? Come on. I wanted to cut a rainbow in the back of his head, but I decided to get it. Hey, that wasn't nearly as bad as I thought it would be. And now, for the big reveal. Ta-da! We got black up here, white down here, uneven look all throughout. A nice smooth hair to the touch. I'm not really great at describing haircuts. We also didn't touch his eyebrows or eyelashes in the slightest. Yay! Okay, so this was very, very fast. It took less than 10 minutes. And remember, you don't have to do this. If you want to get more creative, do something funnier or more sophisticated, that's totally up to you. I just wanted this to be very quick because I didn't want my baby brother to wake up and come here saying, Daddy, Mommy. But overall, this was very fast and very quick. And now, you, my good sir, owe me 20 bucks. And before we end off, I want to tell you something. I hope he doesn't cut my hair.